I like this one. Strong, same like me. So, anyway mga kabuso, thank you very much for watching. Good evening mga kabunso and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So mga kabunso, my name is Edwin Diego and I'm your bartender. So mga kabunso, for tonight, I'm gonna show you how to make rum sunset. Yes, rum sunset cocktail. So for this cocktail, you need this grenadine syrup and dark rum. For the dark rum, I'm using this Bacardi Dark, and of course orange juice, and of course my jigger and my glass. So we will use for tonight this tumbler glass. All right, mga kabuso, and of course my bar spoon. So mga kabuso, for this cocktail, let's do it. So mga kabuso, first step, grenadine syrup. For the grenadine syrup is 15 ml of grenadine syrup. 15 ml, 1 pint, 15 ml. And then next, put the ice. Mga uso. Alright. And second step, your dark rum. Bacardi dark rum. 60 ml of Bacardi. 60 ml means 2 shots. 60 ml of Bacardi dark. Oh, heavy drink. And check well before you put to the glass. So fill up all for the orange juice. Wow, that's nice. And stir slowly. Here we go. Almost done mga kabutso. And for the garnish, I'll use sliced orange. In US we put orange juice, so take orange also on the garnish. Almost done mga kabutso. And put some straw. Here we go. So mga kabutso, thank you very much for watching. This is your rum sunset. Cheers. So mga kabunso, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share. So mga kabunso, testing time. Cheers. Ooh. Strong but nice. I like this one. Strong, same like me. So, anyway mga kabuso, thank you very much for watching your round sunset. Cheers!